In this video recording, in Excel we shall have a look at how the sum statement compares to the subtotal function when it comes to filtering and hiding rows. First, let's look at the spreadsheet. Here we have a spreadsheet, a worksheet, which contains 4 columns: product, a column containing values, the same values, and the same values again. But here's the difference. In row 8 we have a total row. Let's look at the formula for the sum formula, which adds up the contents of the range of cells B2 to B7. As you'd expect, 875. Again, let's have a look at the subtotal function this time. This has 2 arguments, a number and then the range. We'll come to the number shortly, but 9 means to sum, or to add the values in the range. Again, very similar, 109 also means to sum for the range of cells D2 to D7. So let's see first of all what happens if we filter. Let's deselect lathes. The value still remains in the sum function at 875. It includes the 75 which is actually hidden or filtered from the list on row 5, whereas the subtotal functions here and here both take out the 75. Let's now clear the filter. Let's now try hiding a row to spot the difference between column C and column D. Let's once again hide lathes. Right click. Once again, the sum function shows all the product values, as does the subtotal function using 9. However, the one in column D, because we're using 109, it subtotals the value of the cells in the range D2 to D7, but only for visible cells, which are these 5 there, totaling 800. Let's clear once again and unhide. So, in essence, if you want to sum just visible cells, you are far better to use the subtotal function. And really, if you want to subtotal just showing the rows which are visible, you're best to use the first argument 109 in the subtotal function.